welcome back and Happy New Year. Our first unboxing of this year. Allegedly. Package here. Scissor there. And go. Ah, my fingers. And we have paper.
What? You ordered a plastic?
Yes. This is what I ordered.
Bubble.
It is fantastic.
Oh, I can use this for sending you. Can you send me instead?
If you fit in the box, I will send you. Okay, the first item is plant-based protein.
Plant-based. When you say plant-based, what is it?
They take flour and then it's done. I have no idea. This is a new flavor. It's
I was
called
joking.
vanilla pear.
Vanilla pear.
I have not tried it. Here you go.
Let me open it and try it.
Not yet.
You just don't. You just said, here you go.
Not eat now.
Okay.
And then
There you go.
And if you want protein, we can ship it to your door too. Just comment below. Second item is strawberry dessert casein protein.
What do you mean dessert? You bake this or you just...
It's the flavor.
It's just the flavor?
We're baking the flavor. It's the flavor now.
I thought you were gonna add some 2 eggs.
You can add 2 eggs if you want.
1 sausage.
Yes. You want sausage in that? So sure. That's everything. And another one.
What's this?
Same.
Why do you have to order 2 when you don't even know the taste?
If
you like it,
we'll keep it. If you don't, we sell it.
okay then.
And the last item is creatine.
Creatine.
Now we're going to be big and strong. And in our next video, we will be looking like Arnold Schwarzenegger.
No, thank you. Just you.
Just you, not me. So,
I'm okay.
box is empty. It does not fit in the box. I do not fit in the box. That is all we have for this unboxing. See you next time. You'll see us in our next video. Goodbye.
Ow.
Okay.
You need to shave. It's painful.
You need to shave. It's painful. You'll see us in our next video. Oh, you look at me, huh? You'll see us in our next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.
No one's watching, love.
I'm watching. What, love?
You gotta stand.
It's stuck now. You want striptease?
Oh!
Censor, please.